Hi, welcome for another video where we shall be seeing 3 ways of making rice. If you're tired with the white rice, try one of these recipes and you won't regret it. So if you're new here, hi again, welcome. My name is Vida. Kindly consider joining the family by subscribing, liking and comment. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming watching my video. I really appreciate it. For this recipe, we shall need carrot, French bean, Irish, also rice and turmeric and black pepper. In a pan, I'm going to add oil and then fried my vegetables. 5 minutes later, I'm going to add some onion and then mix it again for about 6 to 7 minutes. Six minutes later, I'm adding my rice, which I've mixed it with turmeric and black pepper. Then I'm going to mix everything together. Then I'm going to add 4 cups of water as I've measured 2 cups of rice. I'm going to mix it a little bit just to make sure that everything is in between each other. Then I cover until the water evaporated. For this one, I'm going to use 1.5 cup of rice, 1 cup of vermicelli, salt and black pepper. In a pan, I'm going to add ghee and oil, but you can choose to add only margarine or mix margarine and oil or whatever you want. Then I will add my vermicelli and fry them until golden brown. Yeah, you have to make sure that every piece of vermicelli is golden brown. As you can see, my vermicelli started to be golden brown. I'm going to add my rice and mix everything together. Then I will be adding the water. For the measurement I gave you, I will be adding 4 cups of hot water.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known.
After adding the salt, we shall add also the black pepper and then cover it until the water evaporates.
Something about it felt like I've been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven is not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony?
For this recipe, we shall need 2 cups of rice and 1 cup of green grams and the equivalent of 4 cups of coconut milk. We shall also need cardamom and salt. It's preferable to cook the green grams apart, then mix it with the rice, but I didn't have time, so I just mixed everything together, and I was surprised to find out like it can be mixed together and then be cooked at the same times. The green grams will still be good. Yeah, they will be cooked, don't worry about that. So in a pan I'm going to add the milk, 4 cups, and then I'm going to add salt and the cardamom, and later when the milk is a little bit hot, add the green grams and the rice.
Feels like heaven is not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony?
If you watched the video up to here, thank you so much, and if you haven't subscribed, please do it. Share it also to your friend, tell a friend to tell a friend to join the family, and we enjoy it together. See you on Wednesday. Bye.